Hi guys, in this short video I'm going to tell you that how you can easily add new members to WhatsApp group in Android. It is quite simple and easy. But before starting the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. So first of all, open WhatsApp application. Now tap and select the group in which you want to add a member. Now tap on group name at top. Now scroll down and tap on add members. Tap on search, find the person, add them to group. Now tap on the person, contact. Now tap on tick. Now the person have been successfully added to the group. That's how you can easily add new members to WhatsApp group. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.